Welcome to the channel. So as usual, I got some work to do today with the dump trailer, and I got to make a choice on what truck do I want to use. So here's the dump trailer, and now I got the 19 F250 that I could use, and also have my 2018. Oh no, screw popped off here. Look at that. So that's got to be fixed before I do anything. I got the 2018 F150 that I could use, or the 19 F150 270 caboose. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the F250 because it is the closest to the trailer. It is the path of least resistance, so I'm going to use this truck. And also is the better rated truck for the work for hauling a dump trailer. But what I got to do pretty much today is I got to take this dump trailer and I've got to get it loaded with a couple more things, a couple more bushes, doing a quick bush removal, taking out 2 bushes, and taking out 2 bushes, probably like something like $150 just to remove 2 bush stumps and just add it in on. I've just been slowly adding things to the trailer, little piles. But anyway, I'll see you guys once we get to the bushes. Alright guys, got it all hooked up and headed to the first site. Take a look here at the truck. Looking good, man. Not gonna lie, she is looking good. Alright, see you guys at the first site. Alright guys, driving along here, and truck's doing great. You know, I've been towing this dump trailer with the 150. Now I'm in the F250, and I will say that there are definitely some pros and cons to using this truck. One of the pros is compared to the 150 is that I have so much more confidence as far as the suspension, as far as the gearing being 430 gears. So this is kind of a better setup for towing the dump trailer, so I'm kind of glad I just went this route. The 150, it's nice because the windows are tinted. You know, it's got a little bit more torque. One thing I really like is this hard plastic steering wheel that you get in the XL. I know a lot of people will say that they want to do a steering wheel upgrade and all that, but when you're turning and really working your truck, the hard plastic steering wheel I feel like is the way to go. No, it's not heated. No, it's not leather or anything. I will say when I first got the truck and I grabbed onto the hard plastic, it felt really cheap, but as you kind of break it in, it gets better. Now, some of the cons to this truck, well, I'd have to compare it to like a bigger truck, maybe like a 350 single rear wheel. As you guys know, I've been looking into F450s quite a bit, and you know, having something like an F450 would be cool because you just wouldn't have to worry about the tongue weight. I'm looking at doing a concrete removal project here and on Saturday, and I have to be cognizant of the tongue weight a little bit just because it's gonna squat down the truck. The truck can handle, you know, I want to say 1,500 pounds of tongue weight, but I'm gonna have to really use the way safe hitch to make sure I don't go over that. I'm gonna have to, you know, if I put 1,500 pounds on it, I'm gonna have to raise the hitch up in order to compensate for all the squat, because I don't want the nose of the trailer to be pushing down. And so there's things to think about when you're towing with a 250. If you start doing some heavy duty stuff, you know, concrete, it's gonna add up in weight pretty fast. So, you know, 450 is kind of why I'm looking into that. You know, I can do some heavier stuff. Then when you're towing that heavy weight with the gas, you just drink up more fuel. It does the job, but it just uses a little more gasoline. So, but anyway, I know this thing kind of jumps around a bit. I said I'd see you at the job site, but I'm actually in the truck. Kind of had a quick thought, but yeah, 250, 350 single rear wheels, a pretty cool truck because they have the heavier duty rear springs and the overload springs, so that'd be kind of cool. That's something that you could just add to a 250 and be good, you know, be pretty good. So anyway, comment below and I'll see you guys at the job site. All right, so here we are removing, looks like 3 bush stumps. This one here is pretty tight into the ground, but don't worry, I'll show you guys how it's done. Then we have 2 small ones here to remove. This one's pretty loose already, and then this one. Anyway, I'll show you guys how it's done. All right, first step, pull the mulch back. Looks like there's a weed barrier there. And the Diablo pruning blades. This one is it's getting loose, but it's not quite there. But there's another trick that we can try, and that's the shovel. And going in where we cut. So this branch, some of these branches are kind of in the way. We can shove it in there a little bit better. So we pull on it, but if I go too hard, I'll break the shovel. So you can always just take 2 shovels, same spot. See if that'll get it. Not quite. Alright, so now I can go in like this and take out more of the root structure. There we go.
Oh my God.
Most of the roof wall is out, as you can see. So there's nothing leaving you with a spot where you can't replant or anything like that. Another trick is to just get the dirt off. You use this. Blades are pretty disposable, so you only get a couple bushes per blade. Oh, look at that.
Yeah, wow.
So the benefit with doing it this way is if you just pull these out, you could end up pulling, you know, God knows what. You could end up pulling a section this big out. You just tried to rip it.
Okay.
So kind of works out nice.
Yeah.
This guy was going deep.
Yeah.
So
wow.
it's better just to let that stuff stay way down in there.
Okay.
Let it rot. Go away after about a year.
Perfect.
Well, you can replant there if you want to. It's pretty low.
Okay.
So what do you think? Pretty slick?
Oh, is this like a training video for your guys kind of thing?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. So you don't have to be with them that way, huh? You can kind of...
Well, it's weird. It's like, it seems easy, even though you show them. And
yeah.
It just, they're like, hey, can you help me get this one?
Right.
Like,
right.
It is kind of weird. It's a little technique to it.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, you have a serious skill, man,
yeah.
when it comes to landscaping. Wow. Okay.
Oh, yeah, that'll be it.
Okay.
On to the next scene.
Hey, that's excellent, man. Here's your...
All right, guys. So, as you saw, I was with a client doing the bush removal, and I want to say this. It was so difficult to work in a mask. I could barely catch my breath. It was so difficult. I couldn't imagine working with a mask on all the time, doing physical work. It would be so exhausting. Wow, like you need air. The glasses started fogging up, and I was thinking, man, I gotta take this mask off. And then I just took the glasses off, but man, it was hard to even talk. I don't know if you can tell by watching the video, but it was really difficult. It was really difficult to even talk. But anyway, I'm gonna head over to the dump. I'll see you guys at the dump. All right, here we are dumping our load. Hey, how's it going?
I'm getting ready to trade my truck in about 2 weeks, and I might buy a Ford. Are you pretty happy with your Ford truck?
Oh yeah.
Are you? What year is it?
19.
19. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice one.
Why do you want to leave Chevy?
Well, I'm going to see if my salesman will give me a good price on a trade-in. If he yanks me around, I already got a nice Ford picked out. It's an F250 Super Cab, because I can only go with Super Cabs because I can't get mine in the garage with my plow on it if I go with a big one like this one, a big 4-door.
Yeah.
So I need to get it in the garage with the plow, and I just don't have that extra couple inches. So.
Yeah.
But every 3 years I get a new one. When they hit 60,000, I get a new one.
Definitely go for it. Get the solid front axle. It's so much better.
Is it?
And then this truck's silver.
Yeah. How's the gas mileage in it? You know,
depends on what you get, gas or diesel.
I'm gonna get gas 7.3.
7.3. You're probably gonna get like 10 to the gallon.
10 to the gallon. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I used to buy them in the 90s. I had F350s.
Get a 430 gear.
430. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
Yep. I had some questions about trucks. The trailer up in the air. Everything is out on the ground, as you see. And there's the trailer. Pretty slick, huh? Let's go ahead and drop her down. All right, hitting the scale. This is where that 360 camera comes in handy. Check it out. All right. It shows you where you are on the scales here. All right, we're at 11,000 pounds. Got a green light. All right, leaving the dump and headed over to the gas station to fill everything up. See you guys there. All right, all filled up with gas and back home, and let's see if breakfast is ready. All right, and there is breakfast. All right, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the use of the dump trailer. I might be on a big project this weekend using a trailer, hauling some concrete. We'll see if it works out. But anyway, if you like this content, please subscribe, drop me a share, drop me a comment. Hope to hear from you soon, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching DS Trucks. Over and out. Bye.